Hey guys, Spencer here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into something a lot of people are curious about, and that's how to connect a cassette deck to your stereo system. If you just picked one up from a thrift store, inherited it from your parents, or just ordered a refurbished one online, this video is just for you. I'll help you get playing music the way it was meant to be heard. First things first, let's go over everything that you'll need. A cassette deck, a receiver or amplifier, a pair of RCA cables, and some speakers. Next, you'll need to get all of it hooked up. So let's look at the back of the cassette deck. You'll typically see two sets of RCA jacks. One of them will say line out or output. This one sends the sound out from the cassette deck. The other set will say line in or input. This one takes sound in, which is important if you want to record from another source. We're concentrating on playback right now, so let's focus on the line out. Now check the back of your receiver or amplifier. Look for inputs labeled tape, aux, or sometimes even CD. Any line level input will work, just don't use phono, that's for turntables and will sound all sorts of wrong. Hooking everything together is a lot simpler than you might think. First, plug the red RCA cable into the red jack on the back of the cassette deck labeled line out. Then plug the white RCA cable into the white jack labeled line out. Then hook the other end of the cable into your receiver at one of the inputs mentioned earlier. For this receiver, we're hooking it up to the right and left tape jacks. And just so you know, the red cable is always the right cable. So if your amp or tape deck isn't color coded, just make sure red goes to right and white goes to left. And that's it. Now your cassette deck is all connected to your receiver and you can listen to your music. Let's now turn everything on. On your receiver or amplifier, switch the input selector to whatever input you plugged the deck into, tape or aux usually. Pop in a cassette, hit play, turn up the volume, and enjoy the nostalgia. If you don't hear anything, double check your cables, red to red, white to white, and make sure you've selected the right input on your receiver. If you're not getting audio, you might want to be looking at your amp or receiver or even your speakers just to make sure everything else is connected correctly. And what's really cool too are mixtapes. You could easily record from a CD player or from the radio on your receiver and make your own mixtapes. If you want to record from your receiver onto a cassette, connect the line in jacks the same way, but going from the receiver's tape out into your deck's line in. Then you can record CDs or even those radio broadcasts on tape. Another cool trick is you can also go directly from your source to the cassette deck's line in if your receiver doesn't have tape outs. If you have the proper adapters, you can connect a phone, tablet, or PC and record music that you've purchased and saved on those devices. And that's it. Hooking up a cassette deck isn't complicated at all. It's basically plug and play once you know what jacks to use. So if you're building a full system or just want to hear a couple tapes, you're ready to roll. Don't forget to give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below letting us know if you need any help or what you found useful. Thanks for watching.